Send a video message to your colleague. That's what this video is about. But first, like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tell your friends about my channel. Yes, sometimes you have a text message, but sometimes you just want to send something with a visual expression, so then you will send it with a video message. But how? Well, I'm going to show you in this video. Let's go into Teams. Let's see where my mouse is. Yes. We are at Alex Wilbur's profile, and I want to send him a video message. How can I do that? I can just click on the this icon on the right, just next to the send button. And when I do this, my record a video clip is opening. I can select the camera. In this case, I have a OBS camera, which is on. And I can select the microphone. In this case, I could select the cable output. So now that I've done that, I can start a recording and say, "Hi Alex, how are you? Good to see you. I just wanted to send you this message." To stop, just press the pause button. It's limited to 1 minute, and then you can review it. You can shorten it, so you can do it like this. And then I can send the message, and it's preparing, and it's been sent to Alex, who can view it right away. He also sees that he received the video. Now I'm curious, did you know about this functionality? Did you already use it? Please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and tell all your friends about my channel. Thanks, and see you next time.